Hi, this is the short video about putting the crankshaft back in my Mini 850 engine. I've used that assembly grease on each of the three main bearings. I'll put new bearings in and put some oil down each of the holes. Also put a bit of grease on the three bits of the crankshaft. I'll do this in two parts. I'll put this in and then I'll go through tightening out. Hi, this is the second part to this now. I've fitted on the top bolts now. They're finger tight. This one I've just done up to 20 and 20. I'll do these up to 20, 20, then to 40, 40, then to 60, 60. And that's the total tightness on that. 60 foot-pounds I'm using. This old but reliable torque wrench. Then I'll check the end float. I've got Haynes here, has just said you can use a set of points to check them. I've seen people use dial gauges on the end, which may be more accurate, but points is all I've got. So once I've done that and I'm happy it's moving smoothly, I'll connect the pistons up. I made the mistake of putting the pistons in first, but I'm not going to pop them out now. I'll just work with it and pop them on later. Hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.